Good morning, guys. I am back in the wild. I'm back in Wales. I did the journey yesterday. It has been 6 months since I've been able to get to Wales. 6 months since my feet have been on Welsh soil. I mean, look, it's just so beautiful. So I'll fill you in on what's been going on with me later. For now, let's just catch you up on yesterday. So I drove up here yesterday. Oh my God, the second that I got here, the second that I saw the hills, it was just like, oh, I'm home. I mean, I'm not home. I'm not from Wales. I wished I was. But yeah, by the time I got here, I was absolutely exhausted. So I just sat, I chilled next to the stream for a little while. And then I made myself some dinner in the back of the car. All I had, because I didn't go shopping, so all I had was noodles and hot dogs. Like perfect camping food. So yeah, I did myself some noodles and hot dogs and I sat out and I just watched the sun setting behind the hills and went to sleep listening to the sound of the stream. It was absolutely amazing. But today I need to first get myself to the shops. I need to get some food because all I've got is basically rice. I have a lot of rice. So yes, I need to get to the shops, get myself some food, and then go find some waterfalls. Although, first things first, I've got to sort out the back of the car because I can't drive with it in this state. We are out and off to find a waterfall. There's some gorgeous little plunge pools down there. Oh wow. No idea how I'd get down there, but they look like really nice plunge pools. On with the trail. Oh wow, look at it down there. Oh, the water's just shimmering. Oh, there's been a lot of tree fall. Guys, I've just spotted it coming round the corner. Look! Can you see it? Oh wow. That was a really nice refreshing bit. It's been 6 months. No, longer than that. It's been longer than that since I've been in a waterfall. Oh, look how amazing those. Guys, I actually found something I can probably live in. Oh, even a little swim. This is amazing. Thank you, dipping spot. I don't know whether you can see, but I'm literally trapped in the car. There's so many gnats and midges. Okay, guys, I kind of lost you a little bit last night. I got to the park up, oh, and it was so nice. A little bit of rubbish, so I cleared that up. Sun was shining, all the forests around me, so I thought, you know what, I'm just going to sit here, I'm going to chill for a little while, then I'll make me dinner. And oh my god, I got surrounded, attacked and eaten alive. Can you hear the river? But yeah, so in the end I didn't end up filming because I basically shut myself in the car, windows done up, trying to stay away from all the midges and the gnats. It was carnage. I was like sweating up because I didn't want the windows open, and they just stayed all night. It was absolutely awful. Probably my worst night out car camping. So I got myself up this morning. Midges still out in full force, but the sun's coming out a bit now, so they're heading off a bit. And I thought I would head down to Clidac Brook, see if I can have a little dip down there. So yeah, as I'm not being attacked by midges or dying of heat exhaustion, I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. The thing is, because I haven't been out for so long, I mean, it's been 6 months since I've been able to get out car camping. It's like 8-10 months since I'd had any kind of waterfall dip. So yeah, I've just been kind of enjoying being out again, really. Oh, it's cute. Oh, look at this. So apparently there's lots of little plunge pools down here that I can dip in. It's so cute. Oh. Now I've just got to try and follow it along and see if I can find somewhere to have a dip. Oh, I'm excited now. Oh. Oh, look how pretty it is. Oh, you see how pretty? Oh, I've missed it so badly. Let's have a little walk further along. We'll wander up here quickly, but I think it's taking me away from the brook. So I'll probably head back down and actually walk along it. Yeah, it's taking me up and away. It's taking me up and away. Oh, check it out though. It's so pretty. Okay, so my joints are not strong enough to walk along that at the moment. I'll end up dislocating myself, and I got no signal here. So yeah, that sums it up. I'm heading back down to the brook, and then we'll just walk along the little bank. Oh. I was thinking about going and paddling up there, but I've just seen the light shining on all the mozzies, so no thank you. Oh, I think I found a little bit up there that I might be able to see if I can get to it. Alright, so it's not quite deep enough, not deep enough for a swim or anything like that, but I think we should be able to have a little sit. Oh. This is the life. This is the real life. This is the fantasy. This is not fantasy. Oh, this is lovely. Just got back to the car. That was so needed. That was such a nice little dip spot. It was so peaceful. Where the sun's finally come back out again, there are no midges. So I thought I'd show you my little park up. And then we've got this beautiful view out the back here. It's such a cute little park up. But yeah, the midge situation, I couldn't cope last night. I literally could not cope. So yeah, gonna find somewhere else to head off to. I need to find another park up for tonight. Right, let's get on the road. I remember the first time that I started driving through these mountains and the hills with like sheer drops down the other side. I used to shit myself. I mean, I still do a little bit, to be fair, but I'm getting better.
Continue for half a mile.
House. Oh, so pretty around here. Okay, I can't believe I'm saying this. I've managed to get parked down by the 4 waterfalls. Now, I don't think I'm going to do the 4 waterfalls. There's a different waterfall that I'm looking at doing. So yeah, let's do that. One of the weird things about me, I'm quite happy car camping on my own in the middle of nowhere. I'm not very good at going into pubs or restaurants and eating or drinking on my own. So, I've set myself a little challenge. In order for me to go on my little waterfall walk and have a little dip, I'm first going to make myself go and sit in the pub and have a beer by myself. Yeah, wish me luck. Wow. Oh wow, it's like being abroad. Look at that. Oh wow. There's some seriously nice little waterfalls along here. Oh, Luna's gonna have fun. Oh, we need to get closer. We need to get closer. Oh wow, look at that little bit over there. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. It's a bit cool. Oh wow. I think there's wild garlic. It smells really strong of garlic around here. Wow. Crystal clear water. See the sunlight just popping through the trees. This is a cool waterfall. I think it's the second highest in Wales. Henry Falls is the first highest. This is the second one. I think this is 25 metres. There's a tiny little mouse in there. Hey, little bird. There's so much nature here. I just see a little mouse scurrying into his hole, and then I see a little baby bird. Oh, I've had an amazing day. It's been a lovely day for Lorna. Although I need food and I need to sleep. I'm shattered. I'm shattered, but in a good way. In a good way. Right, let's get back to the car. Oh, check out all that rock fall. That's so cool. I mean, not if you were standing underneath it. That would not be cool. But it just looks well mad. It's almost like tree bark, the carvings in them. Like that one over there. Yeah. It's just so cool. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I was absolutely exhausted and in too much pain to get my camera out and start faffing around. I just needed to cook and chill. So there's my dinner. My dinner is basically mushrooms, spam and a toasted bread roll. Because I'm so tired, I just want to eat and go to sleep. So on that note, unless anything, spectacular happens or we get like the most amazing night sky, I'm going to eat my dinner and go to sleep, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. I've had such a nice weekend. It has been so nice to just get back out into the wild water. I'll be honest, I'm absolutely exhausted. And I think I need to get back into the swing of this whole vlogging malarkey, because I don't feel like I've done very well this weekend with actually vlogging things. But, it is my first trip back since being really, really ill. I think after being so ill for so long, it was just so nice to just be out, be in nature, and I kept forgetting to film a lot of time, so I am sorry for that. I will get better, I promise. I promise. But yeah, I never filled you in on what had gone on. But yeah, for the past 6 months, I've been really ill. in and out of hospital. I've had infected kidneys, swollen kidneys, kidney stone that was stuck, torn ureter, 2 nasty infections, one of which was multi-drug resistant. Couldn't take the antibiotics that are actually the targeted ones because I've got EDS and they're really dangerous for people with EDS. So I had to just deal with having a really severe UTI for about 3 months, as well as the stent, as well as the catheter. Yeah, it's not been fun. And then I finally had the op to have the stone removed, and I was on the verge of urosepsis. Luckily, the antibiotics kicked in, but because they weren't the right antibiotics, it took over a week. So yes, I was quite ill. But stents out, stones out. I do still have to catheterise. I did have I don't know if you've heard of it, it's called Hospital at Home. So it's actually something that the NHS do, where if you are stable enough to be at home to receive your treatment, the nurses will come out to you. So even though I was classed as an inpatient, I was at home and I had nurses coming out 3 times a day to give me my IV antibiotics, check my OBS, do cultures, that sort of thing. So it was really nice to be able to be at home receiving the treatment rather than stuck in hospital for even longer than I needed to be. It's not been a fun 6 months, which is why getting out this weekend, it was just, I can't describe how amazing it's been. I really can't. I felt like I could breathe, sort my head out, but I'm absolutely exhausted. So I think that on that note, I'm going to say thank you ever so much for watching, and I'm going to catch you on the next one, when hopefully I'm going to be down the beach. I'm aiming for a beach park up. So yeah, hopefully I will see you on the next one, guys. Take care, stay wild.